Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
chicken katsu with Japanese curry. Heat oil in a medium pot over medium-high heat. Season beef with salt and pepper and cook until golden brown. Remove and set aside. Add onion, carrot, and potato and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then return beef to the pot. Add water and curry mix, stirring until dissolved. Bring to a simmer and cook for about 30 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Season chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Dredge each piece in flour, then egg, then panko breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Fry chicken for about 4 minutes per side until golden brown and cook through. Drain on paper towels and slice. Serve chicken katsu over steamed rice and spoon curry over the top.
For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.